Are you ready for takeoff, or are you facing turbulence even before boarding? In 2025, airlines have quietly implemented several rule changes that may surprise travelers. From unexpected ID requirements to adjustments in seating policies, these updates could lead to denied boarding, unexpected fees, or significant delays if you're not prepared. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know to ensure you won't be one of those frustrated passengers stuck at the gate. Whether your flight is domestic or international, these new policies are impacting millions of travelers. If you have plans to travel soon, this video could become your most valuable resource this year. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on any critical changes that might save your trip and your money. Let's explore the airline changes you need to know before your next flight. Chapter 1: Boarding Pass Warnings, the Rise of the SSS. One of the most surprising updates isn't a new policy, but rather its frequent application. If you see SS printed on your boarding pass, it indicates you're selected for additional screening. This year, more travelers are reporting this than ever before. Why? Airlines and security agencies are enhancing their monitoring, and algorithms are flagging passengers more often. Factors such as one-way tickets, last-minute bookings, cash payments, or mismatched names can trigger this alert. It doesn't matter if you've flown several times without an issue. If selected, expect enhanced screening. This means removing more items, answering detailed questions, or even undergoing a private search. If you see SS, arrive early at security and plan for delays. Chapter 2: Surprise ID Rules that could get you denied. Starting this year, several airlines are rejecting digital IDs or certain state-issued driver's licenses, even for domestic flights. If your ID isn't compliant with real ID requirements or fails to scan correctly, you could be barred from flying. This issue is more widespread than you might think. Some travelers have been denied boarding due to minor water damage on their passport or loose pages. With increased international security measures, airlines are held to tighter document verification standards. If you're traveling domestically, ensure your passport is in excellent condition. Even slight damages could result in being pulled aside or outright denied boarding. Remember, refunds are not offered in such cases. Chapter 3: Seat Selection No Longer Guaranteed. You might have paid extra for that coveted window or aisle seat, but that doesn't guarantee you'll actually get it. Many airlines have revised their terms. If a flight is overbooked, or there's a last-minute aircraft change, your prepaid seat may be reassigned without notice. Plus, refunds are no longer automatic. You must request a separate reimbursement after your flight. Airlines hope most travelers will overlook this, resulting in added profit for them and disappointment for passengers. Always verify your seat assignment 24 hours before departure and check again at check-in. If it's changed, contact the airline before heading to the airport. Chapter 4: New Carry-On Crackdowns. Airlines are tightening rules regarding personal item dimensions. Some now require that backpacks fit under the seat in front of you, not just within the overhead bin. Gate agents are increasingly vigilant in checking bag sizes. If your personal item protrudes from the bin by even a few inches, be prepared to pay a full carry-on fee. Budget airlines might even weigh carry-ons to enforce stricter restrictions. Such changes are especially harsh on short-haul or low-cost flights, where hidden fees are a primary revenue source. Check your bag dimensions before your trip and don't assume last year's backpack will still meet the size criteria. Chapter 5: New Rules for Checked Bags. This year, numerous airlines have quietly prohibited electronics with lithium batteries in checked luggage, even if switched off. This regulation extends to items like electric toothbrushes, cameras, or older laptops. Previously, only loose lithium batteries faced restrictions. Now, any device containing one could lead to a bag being pulled from the flight unexpectedly. You might not realize it's happened until you reach your destination and your luggage is missing. Additionally, some airlines no longer promise same-day delivery for delayed bags, which may not arrive for up to 72 hours with minimal compensation. Getting travel insurance is no longer optional, it's vital. Chapter 6: Silent Changes to Boarding Order. Airlines are now breaking down boarding groups into even more subgroups, dynamically altered. Your boarding group might change after booking and before departure based on ticket price, loyalty status, or destination. This can lead to confusion at the gate when passengers expecting to board early discover they are in the last group. Some have even missed flights due to shortened boarding times. Always check your mobile app just before boarding. Your group may differ from what's indicated on your boarding pass. Never assume you have ample time at the gate, boarding could close sooner than anticipated. Chapter 7: Digital check-in may fail you. In 2025, some airlines are quietly mandating in-person document verification for all international flights, even if you check in online. Travelers arriving with a mobile boarding pass have been told to redo check-in at the full-service line, causing some to miss their flights. Airlines cite regulatory compliance as the reason, but in reality, this leads to chaos. If flying internationally, arrive early and verify whether online check-in is completely supported. Better yet, print a backup boarding pass or screenshot your entire confirmation. This way, if their system fails, you'll have proof of your check-in. Chapter 8: Meal services changing and not for the better. Just because your ticket includes meals doesn't guarantee you'll actually get one. With inflation and cost cutting, airlines are limiting meal service based on total flight duration, not just class. Even business class passengers sometimes receive only a snack box on flights under 5 hours. Airports now require special meal requests, like vegetarian, gluten-free, or kosher, be made at least 48 to 72 hours in advance. Forgetting could leave you without anything to eat. Always carry backup snacks, especially if you have dietary needs. Chapter 9: Loyalty perks are being devalued. Airlines are revamping their loyalty programs, not to your benefit. In 2025, major carriers have reduced mileage earnings for economy fares and increased award ticket prices while adding blackout dates for upgrades. Frequent flyers are outraged, but airlines are banking on most travelers not noticing until it's too late. If you're using points, check for hidden surcharges or new fees before confirming. Be cautious if you're close to a loyalty tier. Some airlines are now re-evaluating progress mid-year unless you meet a minimum spending requirement. It's no longer solely about flying more, it's also about spending more. Chapter 10: Cancellation and change fee loopholes are back. Post-pandemic, airlines temporarily eliminated cancellation and change fees, but many have since reintroduced them under different names. For instance, some airlines now refer to them as reissue service fees or schedule adjustment charges. These new fees can amass to hundreds of dollars for minor alterations to your travel plans. Additionally, if booked through a third-party site, you might lose eligibility for complimentary changes. Whenever possible, book directly, and always read the fine print before confirming. Chapter 11: AI monitoring is watching your behavior. One unsettling development in 2025 involves airlines and airports utilizing AI to observe passenger behavior, from facial expressions to walking pace. These systems claim to detect signs of stress and flag passengers for extra screening. In some airports, your social media activity and recent purchases might be analyzed to build your profile. What does this mean for you? Remain calm, act confidently, and avoid venting about your airline on social media while traveling. Your online and offline behaviors could now impact your travel experience in real time. Chapter 12: Bonus: Hidden taxes and fees are on the rise. Finally, never assume the price you see reflects the price you pay. Many airlines are now providing itemized lists of additional taxes and fees at checkout or afterward. Travelers have reported added charges, such as airport usage fees, eco-fuel surcharges, and security compliance fees, surfacing on their bills post-booking. In some instances, credit card transaction fees are no longer included in the displayed total price, complicating budget planning. Always take a screenshot of your price breakdown before booking and scrutinize your credit card statement closely after your travels. Traveling in 2025 isn't just about booking a flight, it requires navigating a maze of shifting airline policies. The rules that worked last year may already be obsolete, and surprises at the airport are becoming commonplace. Now, you're equipped with knowledge about what to watch for, pack, double-check, and avoid. With this understanding, you can confidently traverse the airport while others flounder in confusion. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Travel Tactics and hit that like button. If you've faced any unexpected airline policy changes, share your experiences in the comments. Your insights may assist another traveler in avoiding pitfalls. Thanks for watching, and have safe travels on your next adventure.